Yo, what going with it? It's your boy, man. You feel me? It's a brand new day today. Finna hit the gym before we can look at the chart and whatnot. You get me? So I'm gonna take you along with me so we can hit the gym real quick, gain some muscle before we gain some money. And you get me? So yeah, man, that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna take you with me to the gym, show you some few exercises. You get me? Today we hitting back and tricep. If you basically full arm, you're gonna hit it full arm, so it's a back and triceps and bicep as well. You get me? So yeah, man, let's get it. That's it, I think. Yeah, let's get it. Yo, we back at the crib right now. You get me? We're finna do an analysis real quick, then we're gonna take it from there. You get me? And as I'm seeing yesterday's trade, as you can see, it hit TP. You get me? Take profit right here, and even went more. You feel me? I could have passed my challenge with this trade. You get me? But I could have, woulda, shoulda. You get me? Doesn't work here in trading, bro. So it's okay there. Today's a brand new day. What happened is price came and retest this 4-hour fair value gap. As you can see, we have a 4-hour fair value gap here. Let's go to the 4-hour and show you this fair value gap properly. So as you can see, here's the fair value gap here. So price came and retested inside this fair value gap here, you feel me, and rejected. Right now it's looking for like it's buying, and we're gonna look for buyers because we can't sell while the market is buying. You get me? And it's at all times high, so it's only right for us to look for buyers. You get me? So we're gonna go to the 15. We saw a rejection on the 4-hour. That's why we're going to the 15 to look for an entry, a proper entry, so we can enter around here. You get me? So yeah, as you can see on the 15 here, we have previous day high here, which is PDH. You get me? Then we have where the market open, which is midnight open. Don't mind the noise. You get me? It's raining outside, so don't mind the noise, bro. So as you can see, it opened initially from here, went down, went above to take out this previous day high, then came back inside to touch this 4-hour fair value gap, taking out this low, this liquidity. You get me? Taking out this liquidity, this one and this one. You get me? And it rejected from here. Right now we're looking for entry to go above. As you can see, it's rejecting this 15 minutes fair value gap. You get me? So I'm just gonna wait for price to see what it does here, because we have another 15 minutes fair value gap here, 2 of them. You get me? We have another 15 here, so it's playing between this fair value gap. You get me? But I'm looking for buys. I'm only looking for buys. You get me? So I'll just update you if we take a trade. What I'm anticipating, maybe something like this, then a break above, going above again like this, continue to be going above again. That's what I'm anticipating. It might not just happen like this. It might just break above. If it break above this fair value gap and closes above, I'm gonna look for a retest, then I'm gonna buy again and go with it from the to the upper side again. So yeah, that's it for now. I'll just update you once I take the trade again. As you can see, we placed an entry. Right now the time is 13:13. You get me? So right now focus here. We placed an entry right here, stop loss here, TP here, aiming 1:3. You get me? Right now let's see what you see. We're running a loss of $18. You get me? But it's okay though. just gonna hold this and see how it plans out, you get me? So yeah, man, I'll just update you during the day on how this trade plans out. You, as you can see, took us out, you get me? Let me just do this. As you can see, took us out. Go history here. 1% down, you get me? Which is cool though. As long as we followed our risk and our risk management and whatnot, then everything is cool past static, you feel me? Took us out here, and it might decide to go above, who knows? But as you know, I only take one trade, you get me? One trade per day. I don't take more than one trade. I risk 1%, aim 1:3, then I'm done for the day, you get me? So here I'm done for the day. And with that being said, I think this will be the end of the video right here. I'll just catch you all tomorrow again. Same place, same time. Not same time, but same place. You get what I'm trying to say, you get me? But yeah, man, thank you for tuning in, and I appreciate your time, you get me? You. So what are you gonna do right now? We're gonna log our trade, you get me? Basically, we're gonna journal our trade, you get me? I'm using Notion to do this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do my journaling, then I'll just show you once I'm done journaling, you get me? So let me do that real quick, then I'll show you. So here it is, you get me? I just finished journaling the trade. This is the second trade, as you know. So let's just walk you through it. Open it today. The time doesn't want to change to where I want it here, so we're gonna leave it. Traded gold here, model 1, you get me? Use the fair value gap. Basically that's the model 1 of. I used fair value gap, you get me? I day trade, you get me? This is the type of trade it was. It's a day trade. There was high impact news today. Time frame, I used the 15 minutes narrative. It was a bar. My narrative was bullish, you get me? And my bias was also bullish, as you know. Gold has been buying, you get me? So let's go below here. So I bought, you get me? And it was during London Open. Is it London Open or close? I think it was London Open, you get me? Status, it closed by stop loss, you get me? Risk, it was 1% with pips of 5%, I believe. Risk to reward ratio of 1:3, you get me? The PNL is negative 49.50, you feel me? $49.50, which was a loss. Psychological part of it, my psychology was neutral during the whole trade, you get me? Because I already know that my strategy works and whatnot, so there's no need for me to panic, you get me? I just placed the trade and I just let it go, you get me? I wasn't panicking. So let's go. So here's how the trade was, you get me? I seen it like this. As you can see, it came back and touched this fair value gap of the 15 minutes time frame, rejected from here, and once it did this again, passing this high here, if you can focus, passing this high here, I understood that the trade wants to go above. It can no longer go below, you get me? At least above to target this liquidity here. So that's when I placed my trade. I waited for it to trade above this fair value gap of the 15, this first one, you get me? Once it closed above it, that's when I placed my entry here. Stop loss below here, you get me? Close to this fair value gap here, then target 1:3. That's what I did, you get me? So let's see the end result of it. As you can see what happened, price did come into profit a bit, you get me? It was playing around profit, you get me? But eventually took me out, you get me? Eventually, this was the 15 minutes. I believe that first one was the 5, I believe. Let me see. Yeah, this one was the 5-minute focus, but the second one was is the 15, you get me? So it took me out. As you can see right now, it's looking like it's trying to buy again, you get me? So what I've learned here, let me just, and here's the comments that I made, you get me? I'm proud of myself for seeing this trade and executing on it, you get me? This trade is part of my strategy that I have backtested multiple times, and it's proven that it works. You get me? So you can just go ahead and continue reading if you want, but basically this is my journal for today. You get me? For today's trade. You get me? So yeah, man, basically that's it for today. Today is Wednesday. If tomorrow we see any trade, then I'm gonna record again. You get me? If you don't, I'm not gonna record if I'm not gonna trade. You get me? So basically that's it. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate your time and whatnot. Make sure you subscribe also if you like the content that I'm making. You get me? If you don't like it, then I understand. You get me? With that being said, thank you for tuning in, and I see you on the next video.